Hello everyone. For every professional, LinkedIn is very important. So for the students who join BTech or any graduation course for job opportunities and for many other reasons, you must and should have a LinkedIn account. So before setting up your LinkedIn account, few points you must and should know. First thing, okay, when you're applying for any job or when you're creating a LinkedIn account, okay, you have to know about first name and last name. So your first name must be your name. Let's say my name is Hemant J. J is my family name or my surname. It should be a last name and first name must be this. While applying for any company, okay, application requires your first name, last name, middle name also. Middle name is generally optional, but first name, last name, it will be asked. So this is how you can set up your first name and last name. Your family name must be last name, right? Your name must be first name. So while creating, you must and should have this first name, last name awareness while applying for any job or not when creating a LinkedIn account as well, right? And the very important thing is your email ID. Many of the people will feel that email ID is what, okay, I can create any email ID. No, your email ID must be also professional one, right? Okay, so what's the professional mail ID and what you are talking about, sir? See, generally companies are accepting at the rate gmail.com majority of the companies. Even if you have Yahoo, Rediffmail, okay, or other account, please, they're not accepting. Many of the companies are accepting. In fact, for LinkedIn also, we suggest to people to go for at the rate gmail.com. And your mail ID max, you go for 15 characters or less than that. Okay, because when the majority of the times you need to type your email ID, if it is lengthy, it will be mistakes, right? There is a high chances to create a mistake. So you make sure your email ID must be simple, less than 15 characters, maximum 15, less than that also. And let's say your name is Hemant. This is how you can create mail to Hemant, mail for Hemant, Hemant J, J Hemant. So you can create different, but don't use these type of words, hot, cool, buddy, honey. These type of things are not suggested in mail ID. In fact, some maybe some tags I don't want to specify that we cannot try. No need to mention Hemant. That's it. That extra tag is not required. Okay, for professional mail ID, it's not required, right? That will not create the job. So don't take me wrong. Okay, don't try to add some tags and all, right? So and don't use this type of words. Professional mail ID is required badly. That's what we're talking about, right? And yeah, why LinkedIn? So you can connect with your friends, peers, okay, your seniors, professionals. Not only your seniors and professionals, you can also connect with the company people, right? So HRs, companies, okay, a lot of top people you can connect. So connecting, professional network connect. It's not like your Facebook. It's not like your Facebook. It's all about learning some technologies. It should be like a professional interaction with one to other. And it's LinkedIn will be like a resume now. Nowadays, okay, companies are asking your LinkedIn account link. Everybody who are having LinkedIn account, they have a unique link. They are asking you to share that, right? No need of okay physical resume, so it will be like a resume. You can download also. In LinkedIn you will fill all your details that we'll discuss going forward. Then if you click on download, it will be like a resume only. It's like a digital resume now. And a lot of job and internship opportunities also you can find in LinkedIn. If suppose the number of opportunities are limited, less than 100, companies are using LinkedIn and they are okay, posting their requirements in LinkedIn. If there are thousands of opportunities, candidates are required, then they may reach the college. If it is in hundreds, they'll use this. Not only for job and internship, okay, you can also use LinkedIn as a learning platform. There are certain free courses and webinars and recent trends. A lot of live sessions will happen. You people can join that and gain your knowledge, right? So LinkedIn is very important. Okay, as a professional student, when you are entered into a professional course, you are strongly recommending to have a LinkedIn account. It will take hardly 2 minutes to create the basic account, right? So you have to go for linkedin.com. So click on join now, enter your email ID, it will ask OTP. After that, Yeah, it will just try to go for authentication. Yeah, verify. You have to verify. Verifying is required. So password, okay, you create in such a way that it will be remembered for you for long time, and mandatory one uppercase, one lowercase minimum, one number minimum, one symbol minimum, and minimum 8 characters altogether like that. And okay, you have to select student as a student, okay, current role as a student, and then account will be active once you verify. Right? This is only hardly 2 minutes time to create it. Then, sir, is that creating a sufficient? No, you need to follow okay company's profiles, right? Okay, if suppose you are you want to get a job in Microsoft, you want to get a job in Google, you follow those companies. They'll post their projects, they'll post their requirements. You understand what company is expecting from you people. You have to follow the top leadership people's, right? So that must be done. Just creating is not sufficient. That's why wait for a few more things. Yeah, you have to update your photo, professional mail ID, and a professional website. We need professional photo. Don't go for selfies or casual. Selfie also fine, but it should be you. Okay, not group photos, not sunglasses and all. It should be a clear face, have a good formal attire. Okay, background should be plain. It's almost similar to people applying for a company. Good lighting, and it should be okay. Your photo should be visible properly, no? Right? Okay, so you make sure you have a professional mail ID and professional photo when you are creating a LinkedIn account, because it's like job opportunity also. Companies will just tap on your name, okay, they can see what details you people updated also. After that, okay, you have to create your headline. How to replace open to work, that I'll mention, but you have to create your headline like I'm a first BTech or second BTech graduate, okay, interested in software. Okay, Python, yeah, you can mention Python developer, aspiring software engineer. You can mention a lot of things, aspiring software engineer like that. Okay, you have to mention this is your 1 or 2 lines headline. Aspiring software engineer or aspiring, you can mention testing engineer if you are specific about any roles, embedded system engineer, VLSI engineer, CAD designs. You can mention, okay, first BTech so and so, and what profile or what area you people want to work, right? That will give more clarity for the recruiter. And yeah, you have to fill your education details, top two from BTech as the top. Okay, then your plus two or diploma, then your 10th, all these details you try to recent should be in the top. When it's whether it is resume or LinkedIn, generally recent should be in the top. Right, then you can go for your 10th standard. Right, so yeah, your college starting year up to now till you are doing that, no? So then your summary, you see summary, I'm a BTech CSC student passionate about software engineering or web development. What you can mention, sir, I am not yet ready with this because I didn't have any, maybe I'm a first BTech student, just now entered into second BTech, I'm not done with any, okay, I'm BTech CSC student, I'm done with maybe Python, C language, you people know, right? You can mention that. Seeking internship, yeah. This I meant make sure for your job I prepared all this LinkedIn. Okay, you can mention I'm open, I'm ready to work with anyone. So I want internship job. You can mention that summary. That you can change, keep changing. Sir, I am added one course, I learned something. You can change your summary. You can change your LinkedIn, add that post, right? It should be every week or month you need to update your LinkedIn. Sir, I created, done, then it will be paste. You have to create and you should be active in the LinkedIn, right? That's important. What activity you have done also, they can track, anyone can track once they have link of yours. Now you have to add skills. If you are a CSC student, so sir, I have only one skill, fine. Then keep adding. Once you learn, you can keep adding those skills. Right? For EC students, mechanical, civil, depends on your branch. You can add, keep adding the skills. One by one, one by one. It's not about one day. Okay, when you learn something, you can add your skills here, right? It's not freezed. You can keep changing, you can keep adding, right? And okay, a majority of people may not have any projects in your first year or second year. Okay, and you we badly require GitHub account, Lead Code, HackerEarth, CodeChef, right? So days are gone where you can mention I am a hardworking person, but now they want the proof. If you are interested regarding coding or maybe software engineering side, as a software developer, okay, they want your GitHub account, lead code account, how many days you are active, what's your contribution, how many questions you solved, everything will be noted by them, right? This all can be added in your profile. This is just your LinkedIn profile, not just creating, verifying your email ID. Then you add your education, add your skills, add projects and achievements, then it will reach to many people. After that, you need to connect. This is just adding your skills and projects, right? Next, if you have any internships in future, if you do also, you can add. So I lead some event. Yeah, you can add. You've taken some leadership things. You can add everything. So I participated in so and so hackathon, so and so presentation, hackathons, any presentations you are doing, right? Any projects, any paper presentations. It's all those. You can keep adding, right? Next year, this is what. How can we keep open to work is when you click on your profile icon, there is a thing called open to work. Then again, this is related to job. Okay, when you click on open to work, okay, which type of role you are waiting for, internship or full time, and what role, okay, where location, everything you can mention and save so that recruiters can easily identify, right? Okay, you just don't mention open to work. What, okay, whether it is internship or full time, what role, what location, everything you can update. Open to work, you can update so that you will get more chances to be picked by the recruiters, right? And yeah, you can find the jobs. You have a jobs tab in LinkedIn. You have a company page. This is what I'm telling you. Don't sit idle. You have to follow the companies. They'll mention about what is the recent trending technologies. They may mention about the job opportunities required in their company, their projects, everything that will help you out. Job alerts is there. Okay, jobs tab. Right. So, and while applying for any job, you have to mention, okay, 2 to 3 lines why you are maybe for with a personalized note. Okay, well, we have when you have LinkedIn, you can when the job is posted in LinkedIn, you can just click on the job, it will be applied automatically. There you can put okay personalized cover note for 1 to 2 lines, why you are applying for this company, why you are fit for this company. That can be mentioned, right? But that's an option, it's your choice. But don't just create, you have to follow all this dream targeted companies, not about these company pages. Targeted companies, whatever it is, you can go ahead and you can connect to your friends, classmates, putting a person as I am so and so from so and so college. You can connect to alumni. This is very, very important. Alumni who is working in target companies. Suppose your dream company is Google. Who is working in Google from your alumni? You just connect to them, right? And yeah, you can go for a lot of groups are there in LinkedIn. I also are there in a lot of groups like recent technologies, everything I'll also follow regarding Python, everything, because anything new they'll mention it. And once, okay, suppose you read, okay, maybe they posted some technology, you have gone through entire video, then give some comments or post so that everybody will watch who is there, who is this candidate. So everything is important. You should be engaged. It's not like creating the LinkedIn and keeping ideally. You have to do the work. And then yes, this is what you just creating. No, you have to create a professional photo, clear headline as I mentioned. Weekly, okay, you have to update weekly, not weekly, at least monthly. Okay, you just weekly if there is any update, fine, or else at least monthly you just try to update. Daily you spend some time, okay, weekly or daily, right? So if any message from recruiter, quickly you have to respond to them. So that's what. Don't go for controversial posts. It's a LinkedIn. You see, problem, guys. If anything controversial, your LinkedIn will be blocked. Okay, it's not like Facebook. Whatever you want, you posting. No. Okay, should be professional. If there is something wrong, without any notice, they'll block your LinkedIn. Many students came to me. My students also they're asking, sir, my LinkedIn is blocked. It depends on what you posted also, right? So you have to be very much cautious about this, right? Yeah. So you can do learning, but if you have a premium account, we don't recommend. But some college, this some people will come and they'll give free LinkedIn premium account. If you have premium account free, then you have advantage. Lot of courses and certifications can be done in that LinkedIn itself, and you can attend webinars without premium. You can also attend webinar sessions and articles as well regarding your career development. That's what it's all depends on what you updated in your skills and your headlines. Recommended webinars will come, right? And this is what the future's quick reference. So profile you have to create with clear photo and clear email ID, good professional email ID, headline and skills to be maintained, and keep tracking the job stream and make sure you are open to work and change things accordingly. And connections, build your connections, connect to many people, go for groups and alumni, connect to alumni. This is what you need to do, and every week you be alert. Okay, at least spend some time in the LinkedIn. And yeah, we recommend to follow MNCs or your target. What are the targeted companies it is? It's not about only the list what I given here. It's about your companies. It depends on your branch. Targeted companies you need to follow. Okay, so that you can understand what is their requirements. Targeted companies. I'm writing simply C. And you can go for influencers, follow. Okay, depends on your branch who is required. You can just, I'm generally following all these people, right? So you can also, it's all up to you. You can follow your influencers so that they are the people who will post regarding the latest technologies and videos so that we'll get influenced, we'll learn something, right? When you learn something, you can definitely spread that across your community, so that's always there. And it's just minutes of time to create LinkedIn account. You can start, and just extending few more things. Certain portals which you people can follow regarding your job or okay, career portals. In the AACT itself is given a link for internships to apply. We have Unstop, a lot of challenges, hackathons will be shared. You can create an account in Unstop so that you can participate in a lot of hackathons, competitions, internships, all this okay is available. You can follow there. And freshers world, okay, or this is government. These two are from government, AACT and reference. In fact, T-Hub also you can follow. Well found internship also you can see a lot of internships. This is more related to internships. Naukri website also you can create your Naukri. Okay, if any jobs related to that, it will be updated in Naukri also, right? So different portals you people can follow and register to get more chances for internships and all. And yeah, you can create a resume in this, or I'll just put in job this maybe in this description one of the link regarding resume, each field importance and how can you create the resume in a simple way. This is one page, single page. You can click on this link and you can create your resume, already available resume. You can change your details, what are you updated in LinkedIn skills and all. Similarly, resume can be created. Some companies they'll ask you to upload a PDF instead of your LinkedIn link. In fact, from LinkedIn account, you can download and you can upload the same as a resume also. That's also available. And finally, okay, you can follow our Telegram, Ace Online Campus Edge, for all your doubts. And we are posting daily job opportunities. Even see, second year people are eligible for Microsoft, Google. Okay, third years also eligible for Amazon. A lot of product-based companies. You people are eligible. You are getting chances in second year, third year, final year. In fact, certain companies is recruiting in first year also. All those opportunities, everything we are updating in this Telegram day wise. Not only that, some videos related to quant reasoning, verbal, some daily questions we are also posting in this Telegram group. You people can join and take max benefit. Thank you.